Good afternoon and welcome back to Lunch at the Market. We have some big things going on today. We should be able to make everything official sometime tonight or tomorrow at Lunch at the Market, so stay tuned for that. We want to say thank you again to our community as we found ourselves on 2 top 10 lists for finance and investment information in the last 10 days. This week is a big one with earnings for several companies like American Dairy, Nike, and Discover Card coming out. We'll also have a Federal Reserve Open Market Committee meeting and triple witching options expiration. You may feel like you've been run over by a bus by the end of this week, but stick with it as we're only a couple weeks away from earnings season again in April, where we should get another good look at how companies are doing. When it comes down to it, stock prices are a function of their multiple. That's the PE number we're always talking about, and their earnings. The PE stock trades at is a function of where we are at in the economic cycle of recovery. Taking a look at individual names, we finally have AONE back under $16 a share. Nothing other than a dollar swing back up to the usual $16.50 level. We think this one is worth a shot for either a trader or an investor. Asia Info Holdings, ticker symbol Asia, is also getting to look pretty attractive again. It's down about 2% today, and we have a green light to buy when the stock is under 28. This was a Street.com top 5 China stocks under the radar. You'll notice that the other names on this list, like CSKI Medical, CSKI, Jinpan International, JST, and Shanda Gaming, SNDA, are all WallStreet Bean top 20 names from their BeanScreen. So Asia is in good company with other names from this Street.com article. A special note that Jinpan itself, that's JST, is down nearly 10% today. So that's a name that's really attractive to start a position here. Remember, though, that we're being conservative here, as it's very likely that we are at an overbought condition in the market that will have to be resolved by heavier selling at some point. We do like the 3 stocks we covered and are buyers today of those names at these levels. Never try to put all your full position in at once, even when the market is oversold, but especially not when it's overbought, as a market rollover will take most down, if not all names. 2 more names that are dipping down today are really interesting to us. We like American Dairy. That's the Chinese dairy company we've covered previously. You can find it on the NYSE under the symbol ADY. This company has an EPS of 366 and trades with a 5.45 PE. That's music to our ears, since we're basically in love with the PE metric over here. Don't worry though. The company is still a growth company, and the PEG is 0.47. Not bad at all. Finally, Google is down $20 a share today. Wow, that's quite a sharp tick in the eye if you own Google shares, which we do. So, that's enough though. Google is starting to make news regarding its broadband participation. In fact, right here in Winston-Salem, Google may be tapped to build out the broadband for this city. Be assured that a company that gives its people an easy way to contribute ideas that move the needle and not much cash to do it, it'd be a hard bet against Google. Consider adding to your Google on this dip. Even getting back to $600 would be a pretty penny from the $560 it trades at today. Thanks for tuning in today. Be careful out there. Build slowly, protect those profits with puts if you're not raising cash, and have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.